pickup height. Now again, this is subjective as well. It will largely depend on what you're hearing, but if you need a starting point, essentially what I would do is aim for about a 2.4mm clearance on the bass side and a 2mm clearance on the treble side. And you adjust these using or adjusting the mounting screws. And when you're measuring the height, you must fret at the last or second last fret and measure the height from the top of the fret to the underside of the string. Okay, so in this case that pickup is way too high. We're going to just need to bring that down a little bit. The way to do that, just turn this screw counterclockwise and that will lower the height. Now if you had individual pole pieces, this is a covered pickup, but in the case of the bridge pickup, for example, we've got individual pole pieces. You'd be measuring from the top of the pole piece to the underside of the string. And again, just don't forget to hold down at the last fret. Okay, so that's a little better, we're still not quite at 2.4. So I'm just going to reduce that again a little bit further. As I said, about 2mm on the treble side, just to compensate for the thinner strings. And that's pretty much spot on now. So you do the same with the bridge pickup, obviously, and that's how you would adjust the height of your pickups.